Hello viewers, welcome to MyNecare Positive Life series. Today's episode is dedicated to Doctors' Day. We are going to meet a number of prominent doctors trying to get a feedback from them on what they feel Doctors' Day stand for. We'll try to probe about relationship between doctor and a patient. We'll try to know what ails the relationship today. We'll try to know a lot of nuggets which will emerge as we talk to them. Over to the prominent doctors.
First, I would like to congratulate all my colleagues, friends and public at large for Doctors' Day. Being a doctor gives you a lot of responsibility and there are a lot of expectations by the public, and we have to come up to their expectations. I've seen practice in last 35 years, the way it used to be about 35 years back and what it is now. There have been constant developments, improvements in technology, in facilities, in skill. And human being is a being where expectations increases with more and more facilities. So sometimes patients' expectations go beyond the reality. So what perturbs me now, a bond of faith which used to be between a doctor and a patient few decades back, that is somewhere missing there. Now doctors, courts, public at large, these services are being treated as if patient is a consumer and as if doctors or hospitals are service providers. So here lies the basic problem, because that bond is missing somewhere. The trust which patients used to have in their doctor, in their family doctor, it is no more there. And it is with the changing time, I think things are getting more and more materialistic in this world, and doctors are also not untouched with that. We do come across where, there are some reports, we read in newspaper or we come across some fleecing by the doctor, and equally bad, patients' unruly behavior, patients' attendant unruly behavior in the hospital with the doctors. We have to see how we can provide better healthcare, comprehensive healthcare, what are our shortcomings, how we can correct them. So then really purpose of celebrating Doctors' Day will be served.
There are many challenges for the doctors, but now you have said 5, so I'll count those 5. Firstly, the trust of the patient among the doctors. I think that's the very big challenge. How much these days the patients are trusting their doctors. Lack of availability of good quality doctors, resulting from poor medical education system, poor training system existing in our country. Third comes competition among the doctors. I believe there should be healthy competition, but seems like it's not healthy, unhealthy competition. Targets. If the doctors start meeting the target for an institute, now you can imagine where we can stand with the patient care and what is the kind of oath the doctor has taken. And then most importantly is the affordability of the patients. It's very unfortunate. Patients used to consider doctor as God, and I'm sure there are still many who consider doctors as God today also. But it is up to the doctors how they take care of their patients, how they build up the trust. And if everybody puts their efforts in this direction, then जो पास्ट में था कि डॉक्टर को गॉड मानते हैं, वो चीज़ वापस आएगी और आनी भी चाहिए।
To general public, I have certain messages. The health come first. Health is a very, very important issue, but most of the time for everyone, this is secondary, tertiary, and sometimes the last thing to be. Whether it is coming to taking care of yourself, whether it's taking care of your children, and whether it's taking care of your elderly, your parents. जो टेंडेंसी हमारे मेंटालिटी या टेंडेंसी हमारी इंडियन मेंटालिटी जिसको कहते हैं, हम लोग कुछ अपने खाने पीने में, गोलगप्पे में, बाज़ार के खाने में 1000 रुपये 2000 रुपये स्पेंड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अपनी हेल्थ पे कोई स्पेंड नहीं करना चाहता। हेल्थ में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है नॉन फार्माकोलॉजिकल, दैट इज़ कि आप दवाई से पहले एक प्रिवेंशन को आप अपनाएं। सबसे सिंपल, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करें, खाना बिल्कुल पौष्टिक या न्यूट्रिशनल खाएं, एंड यू शुड गेट योर चेकअप्स डन वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली। 30 साल की उम्र में साल में एक बार, 35 ईयर्स की उम्र में अगर आपकी कोई फैमिली हिस्ट्री है तो आप महीने में 6 महीने 8 महीने में एक बार, एंड 40-45 के बाद में you should get yourself checked and get those diseases which are not been there in you but may come to you because of your negligence or your overlooking to them.
It's indeed a matter of pleasure and pride that we are celebrating Doctors' Day today, and it's a good opportunity for all of us to relive our careers, our days as doctors, and interact with our seniors, colleagues and friends. And I'm sure most of us feel honored and happy that the society is giving us a platform to be able to be recognized on this day. Two bottlenecks we have today in the healthcare. One is the deteriorating relationship between the patient and the doctor. This was something which was revered, but today if we look back and look around, there's a lot of mistrust between the doctor and the patients, and I think the onus lies on both of us. And maybe because the commerce has come into this, there's a lot of expectations on the part of patients, because they think that once we are paying the doctor, the life is secured. Whereas they have to understand that money cannot buy life, and we can only put in our best and earnest efforts. On the part of doctors, I think that feeling of empathy has started going down, and we should look into it, because we are not only people who are supposed to be treating, we are what is defined in the ancient time as faith healers. We have to be not only doctors, we have to be friends, philosopher and guide to our patients. And that is something I want to reinforce to my junior colleagues and friends, that they should practice medicine in that way. There's another thing which I realize is the bottleneck is the patient's awareness. Today we have developed the facilities to a large extent. The medicine can do wonders for our patients. But the problem is that the patients don't reach us on time because they do not know about the facilities available and what the science can do. And I think it is the onus of all of us to take part into these kind of patient education activities, where we are educating our masses and our people that this is what we can offer you, so that they can come and take timely treatment.
आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि 1 जुलाई को, जैसे हम सभी जानते हैं कि डॉक्टर्स डे है। डॉक्टर्स डे पे सबसे पहले तो मैं सभी डॉक्टर्स को अपनी ओर से और हमारे यथार्थ ग्रुप ऑफ मेंबर्स की ओर से सबको जो है बधाई देना चाहूँगा। डॉक्टर्स डे कहने के लिए सच में डॉक्टर्स डे है, मगर आज का जो सिनेरियो है, जैसे हम सब लोग जानते हैं, काफ़ी चेंज हो चुका है। चेंज किस सेंस में हो चुका है? एक जो ट्रस्ट था, एक जो डॉक्टर पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप थी, वो अब कहीं ना कहीं टूटती जा रही है। उसके रीज़न बहुत सारे हैं। सब चीज़ें काफ़ी कमर्शलाइज हो गई हैं। अगर हम बात करते हैं हॉस्पिटल्स की बात करते हैं, तो हॉस्पिटल्स भी इतने बड़े बड़े हैं, उसके अंदर जो एक्सपेंडिचर्स हैं दे आर सो हाई, जिसकी वजह से रेट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं ट्रीटमेंट के। और जब ट्रीटमेंट के रेट्स इतने ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो पेशेंट को लगता है कि अगर हम इतना पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं तो हमने सब कुछ खरीद लिया है। इस सोच काफ़ी चेंज हो चुकी है। अब जो पेशेंट आते हैं, जो एक रिलेशन जो होना चाहिए, अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि सभी पेशेंट इस तरीके से सोचते हैं। तो कुल मिला के देखा जाए तो एक डॉक्टर पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप थी, जो एक ट्रस्ट था, वो काफ़ी हद तक जो है ख़राब हो रहा है। मैं आज इस डे पे, जो हमारा डॉक्टर्स डे आ रहा है, मैं सभी से एक अपील करूंगा, पेशेंट से भी अपील करूंगा, उनके रिलेटिव से भी अपील करूंगा कि जो रिलेशन है उसको बना के रखें, एक बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन रहे, सब लोग उसको जो है माने इसको।
I would like to congratulate my colleagues, my junior, my senior colleagues on the occasion of Doctors' Day. It is indeed a pleasure to be able to speak something for the doctors. We doctors in 21st century, in 2016, have the biggest job of saving mankind, and where we have lost our way. We've lost our way by probably losing our integrity. And I think we as doctors should work really hard on getting back our integrity and working more ethically towards our colleagues and our fellow people and our patients.
On Doctors' Day, I congratulate my senior colleagues, my junior colleagues, and my all friends across the India. Happy Doctors' Day to all of you. And I believe that we will improve our image, our relationship, our patient-centric approach in the society, and we are committed, as you all of you know, we are committed to provide transparent, patient-centric, quality healthcare in view of patient safety also.
On the occasion of the Doctors' Day, I wish my fellow doctors and other medical professionals a very happy Doctors' Day. This day calls for introspection and recommitment to the medical profession by the physicians and other medical practitioners. It also calls for a recommitment by us to the management, to the treatment of our patients with more vigor and more commitment. The medical treatment has undergone a sea change over the past 1 or 2 decades with the availability of many newer modalities of diagnosis and treatment options available. It becomes a moral duty of the medical personnel to pass on this changing information and changing options to the patients for the better outcome and better health results at large.
On Doctors' Day, first of all, I'd like to congratulate all my fellow colleagues all over India, all over the world. A very, very happy Doctors' Day. And I think the key thing for all of us to remember is that now medicine all over the world is also going more into this positive energy that promote yoga, promote meditation. The more you see that, the more positive results you see. So I think absolutely I agree, positive life is the way to go. And a message I think for the doctors coming in who might be practicing is our essence of healthcare is always going to be our patients, making them better, making them feel well. And I think that is what we all have to keep in mind. And on Doctors' Day, let us all promise that how can we make our patients happy, make our patients smile. Even if each one of us doctors, we decide, I'm going to make my patient smile, even one patient a day, just imagine how many patients all over India will be smiling. That one smile can bring that positive energy, and that obviously can help them feel better sooner and get better so they can stay out of the hospital. That has to be our goal, and I'm sure that is the goal for all of us. So again, on the Doctors' Day, I would again like to wish all of you a very, very, very happy Doctors' Day. Let us all aim to make a healthier India, a more happier India, and let us all just make sure that we are on the path of good health.